Hi, I would like to talk with you about how to study effectively in American universities. According to UIUC, education systems and expectations vary from culture to culture. International students are likely to face academic problems because they are unfamiliar with US culture. There are many factors that cause academic barrier. An important factor is that students cannot study efficiently in class. This contributes to low GPA. Inefficiency can cause depression. There are several ways to tackle this problem. Students should get sufficient time for sleeping. This prepares the brain for to work efficiently during class. Students should also eat good quality breakfast. Nutrition status helps students to concentrate in class better. During during class, students should try their best to avoid distraction. Firstly, they should avoid sitting with friends. Chatting with friends really distracts students from concentrating. Secondly, they should get rid of items that could distract their attention. For example, if a student is constantly distracted by a water bottle, he should put the bottle away to avoid distraction. Thirdly, students should take notes effectively. In order to do this, students should not copy word for word from what the teachers say. Instead, the student should write, visualize objects and arrows to save time. Fourthly, students should make eye contact with teacher. If students realize that they are about to lose their focus, they should resume their attention by looking at the teacher's eyes. After class, students should review the class material. In order to do this, students should use flashcards to help them remember facts and concepts. They should also use resources such as professors and textbooks for questions they have in class. Finishing assignment is
Finishing assignments is important for international students. Assignments occupy a great portion of GPA. What strategies can students use so that they can finish assignment effectively? Uh, it is important to schedule assignments. Uncommon, every assignment has corresponding deadlines, yet students need to plan on when they start working on each of the assignments. They should set start time for each of the assignments and allocate a time period to complete the assignment. It is recommended that students use timers. Big assignments may seem intimidating and overwhelming. To make assignments less overwhelming, students should divide assignments into chunks. For example, for a big essay assignment, students should divide the assignment into several chunks such as doing research, write the first paragraph, and write the second paragraph. Between each chunks, students can take short breaks. This strategy allows students to complete the assignment effectively. Environment is important for effectively doing assignments. When a student writes assignments, he should turn off his phone to avoid distraction. The environment should be quiet so that the student is able to focus on his work. It is important that the work space is different from the space for relaxing. To make the assignment less boring and difficult, students should establish rewards for studying for a period of time. This reward can be eating delicious food or chatting with friends on social media. The reward act as intended for students to do the assignments.
Exams are challenges that every student must face. Pressure to score high in exams can be overwhelming, but do not worry, there are several ways to excel in exams. Needless to say, before exams, students should get prepared. They should review challenge facts, concept assignments, and quizzes. This is because assignment and quizzes show how question would be raised in exam. During review session, students should allow time so that study time proportion to point of the test. For example, if a concept have 50 points, students should allot a lot of time on reviewing that concept. Apart from that, it is important to avoid being all-nighter. Students who work all night have little energy to take the exam. During the test, students should avoid being anxious. This can be achieved by doing exercise and taking bathroom breaks. In tests involving science, students should write down the formula so that they do not forget the formula. When students encounter very challenging questions, they should jump such questions. 好，
我刚好